Do you have hundreds, or even thousands, of customer records in Excel and need to send personalized emails in bulk? Emails that include each customer's name, order details, license code, without copying and pasting one by one. Method 1. Mail merge. First, prepare your data in Excel, such as email address, customer name, license code, and any other fields you need. Once completed, save and close the Excel file. Then, open a new Word document. Go to Click Mailings tab. Click Select Recipients. Click Use an existing list option. In the window, choose the Excel file you just created. Click Open. Select the worksheet that stores your data. Word will automatically read all the fields such as email and name. Now you can start writing your email message and insert placeholders, whenever needed. For example, type the greeting, "Dear." After "Dear," insert the name field by clicking Insert Merge field and choosing Name field. Your personalized field is now added to the message. Continue typing your message and insert other fields, such as the license code, in the same way. After finishing the email content, you can preview the results to make sure everything looks correct. Click Preview Results, and then use the Next button to preview all generated email messages. Once everything is ready, go to Click Finish Merge. Click Send Email Messages. In the dialog box, choose the email field as the recipient. Enter your subject line. Select all from the send records. Click OK. The emails will be sent immediately, and each recipient will receive their own personalized license code. After sending, you can go to Outlook to confirm the delivery status and ensure everything was sent successfully. Method 2. Kutools for Excel. Sometimes you need more advanced options, such as CC, BCC, or adding attachments, and Mail Merge simply can't do that. In this case, the Send Emails feature in Kutools makes the entire process much easier and more flexible. Start by creating your dataset in Excel: email address, customer name, CC email, subject, license code, attachments, and more. Note, the attachment field must contain the full file path. If you need multiple attachments, enter multiple paths in one cell separated by semicolons. After the data is ready, go to the Kutools Plus tab. Then, click Send Emails. In the pop-up window, select your email list range. Then configure the recipient address, CC, attachments, and subject as needed. Next, type your message in the editor below. Wherever you need a variable, such as the customer's name, click the drop-down. Choose Name. Then, click Insert Placeholder to insert it into the message. Continue building your message, inserting any additional variables the same way. Once the message is finished, choose your sending mode. You can send via Outlook, or specify your own email server. If you use Outlook, you can also apply your Outlook signature, and pick which mailbox to send from. After everything is set, click Send button. Kutools will display a confirmation message showing how many emails were successfully sent. Finally, open Outlook to check the delivery status of your messages. Kutools gives you a more visual and flexible email sending experience, allowing you to complete all personalized bulk emails right inside Excel. Say goodbye to manual emailing forever. Like and follow to unlock more Excel power tricks.